Now, okay, what's going on is we're listening for a really scary noise.
It sounds like someone's dying.
Ready? Let's see.
I'm gonna cry.
We're still waiting.
Maybe the child's dead already.
It's not a child, it's an owl.
It sounds like an owl.
Jasmine's scared. It's a little odd how it's, stopped.
Because the child's dead already.
It's not a child. We'll just wait a second and do it again. Hello, everyone. God, my hair is terrible looking. But Jasmine's scared.
I don't want to die, okay?
You're not gonna die. Okay, you're not gonna die. It was an owl. It was an owl. No, it was like. Hush, Ellie. Well, it's not doing it now.
It's because the kid's dead already.
It's not a kid. If we hear it, we'll let you know, okay?
No, Amanda. We're gonna die.
No, we're not.
What if it's like... It's scary.
Jasmine's scared because we didn't hear the noise anymore.
In the country now. Blinds are open.
I think I'll be able to hear it.
I can do it again. How many times did it do it when you were opening?
Like 3.
Wait, that's smart. Leave the door wide open.
Hell,
Someone starts coming, I'm closing you out here.
you wouldn't do that.
You're right. I'd be like, get inside.
Well, our trying to find a killer or owl has been uneventful.
Stop it!
Jasmine's thoroughly scared though.
Watch them like jump up on the window.
So that's okay. Bye.